In the frozen heart of Antarctica, one wrong step can be your last. When an explorer suddenly falls through the treacherous ice, he's plunged into a freezing abyss. His life hangs by a thread, and every second counts as the frost begins to take hold. While the rescue team scrambles, their most loyal members take charge. Maya, the brave lead dog, is sent across the cracking surface. With calculated steps and a spirit of steel, she inches toward the edge, carrying the only lifeline that can save him. Through a combined effort of human grit and canine instinct, they pull him from the jaws of death. But the victory is short-lived. A massive Antarctic storm is closing in, forcing an emergency evacuation. In the chaos of the blizzard, a heartbreaking decision is made. The dogs must be left behind, chained in the whiteout. Back at the base, Jerry is haunted by the faces of the friends he abandoned. He pleads for a rescue mission, but the world is frozen shut. No planes, no ships, no hope. For months, he has to live with the guilt, while his team is left to face the sub-zero hell alone. But never underestimate the will to survive. As the hunger grows and the chains tighten, the pack refuses to give up. Led by their unbreakable bond, they fight against their restraints. One by one, they break free, proving that loyalty isn't just about following orders, it's about surviving until you can find your way back home. Abandoned in the frozen heart of Antarctica, a pack of huskies is left to face the most unforgiving terrain on Earth. No humans, no shelter, just the biting wind and an endless white void. Hunger is their only constant. Under the strategic leadership of Bertha, the pack learns to hunt like wolves, while Alan, the impulsive one, almost ruins their chance with his impatience. Bertha's wisdom prevails. They coordinate a pincer movement, outsmarting a flock of birds to secure their first meal in days. It's not just food, it's survival. 50 days have passed. Under the ethereal glow of the aurora borealis, these dogs find a brief moment of wonder. They howl at the dancing lights, a small celebration of life in a place that demands death. But the ice is a cruel master. During a moment of play, disaster strikes. One of their brothers loses his footing and tumbles down a jagged cliff. He's badly broken, unable to move. In a display of heartbreaking loyalty, the pack refuses to leave him. They huddle together, using their own body heat to keep him warm as the snow slowly buries them alive. Morning comes, but their brother does not wake. The pack is faced with a choice: stay and die, or leave and live. With heavy hearts, they move on, all except Alan. Alan stays by his friend's side until the very last second, but as a massive blizzard rolls in, he loses sight of the pack. His howls are swallowed by the wind. Alone, lost, and mourning, Alan must now face the whiteout by himself. On day 152 of survival, Alan spots a glimmer of hope, a massive whale carcass in the distance. But the buffet came with a deadly security guard. A leopard seal lurking inside the whale strikes and drives Alan away. But Alan is a leader. He coordinates with his pack, using himself as bait to lure the predator away so his brothers can finally eat. It wasn't just about hunger, it was about brotherhood. Months turned into an endless winter. They survived on whatever they could find, even catching birds. But the cold was relentless. When Berta, one of the pack, became too weak to move, Alan didn't leave her side. He stayed, protecting her from the biting frost, fearing he might be the last one left. Back at the camp, their owner Paul finally returns, haunted by the memory of the dogs he had to leave behind. He finds empty chains and frozen collars, losing all hope, until a bark echoes through the snow. Alan appears, leading Paul not to a grave, but to Berta, who was still clinging to life. It's a heart-wrenching reminder. No matter how many times you leave them, A dog's loyalty never freezes over.